If you've ever experienced pain in your ear, maybe this has happened with your children as well, I have a fantastic ear exercise, meaning that we're pulling on the ear in different directions. I'm going to show you that technique for that ear pain and for ear aches. All right, let's get started. I want you to go and do this along with me as we do these ear exercises. It's amazing for the lymphatic flow. So we know that we have a lot of lymph glands in and around the face, and this is important to move that lymphatic tissue, get that immune system stimulated to help to fight off that ear infection. All right, so the first part of that technique is to grab the top of your ears, and you're just going to pull up towards the sky. Then you're going to hold your ear and pull back behind you, and then hold that earlobe and pull down. Then you're going to press on that tragus, so that little part that can close on the ear, you're just going to press it once to relieve that negative pressure, and then you're going to do a massage. And this is now incorporating some of the lymphatic drainage massage that I talk about in different videos, and you're just sort of using your fingertips with very light pressure, starting behind your ears, so you can see that lymphatic tissue starts behind the ears, and now you're pulling it down your neck towards your collarbones. Of course, we have a lot of lymphatic tissue here as well, and those lymph nodes, so we want to move that lymph always towards the midsection of our body where we have our most action of our lymphatic system in our trunk, in our midsection. So doing that a couple times a day, pulling up, remember, pulling back, pulling down, closing the tragus, and then moving that lymph down the neck towards your midsection. A great ear exercise, great for ear infections and ear pain. I want you to teach your kids how to do this. You can do this for them as well. Do it on yourself. You're going to love how it works. I want to hear from you in the comments how it's working for yourself and your family. I do have another video that I want to point you in the direction of, and it's called 5 Causes of Ear Infections. It's really important that you know this information as well, especially if you and your children are prone to these earaches.